Let's take our nails from this to this in 5 minutes flat. In today's press-on nail tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to do nails that actually last. So stay tuned and let's get into it. So let's jump right into it and do our nails, guys. So these nails came from SHEIN. I will have them linked in the description. And make sure you guys use my code as well. It will give you a discount. Also, the only glue I use is this Kiss glue. It will be linked in my Amazon storefront. I will have that as well as the nail filer and everything you'll need for any of my nail tutorials in my Amazon storefront. So let's jump into it. So first of all, I always tell you guys, make sure you are starting with clean hands. That is key. We do have our alcohol wipes, but we will actually use those after we file our nails. So the first step is to just go ahead and start filing, guys. So you want to file your real nail, not entirely too much, but enough that allows the glue to stick. This is what lets your nails really last a long time. So that would be my number one key, is make sure you are giving your real nails a good file. It also helps remove any old glue if you just took off a set or anything like that. So make sure you guys are going through and you are filing your real nail. After that, we're going to get into the next step, which is actually using those alcohol wipes. I like to use my alcohol wipe and wipe my nail down after I file, because when you file your nail, you leave a lot of dust, and sometimes that makes the glue not stick as good. So I always go on with the alcohol wipe and just wipe all my nails down before I start to apply them. This step also helps remove any leftover glue or anything that you may have left over on your nails. So this is key as well, and one of the top tips that I would give you to make sure your nails are actually lasting. Okay, so make sure you guys use those alcohol wipes. And now it's time to apply our nails. Again, these nails are from SHEIN. I will have them linked in the storefront. I really wanted something fun and colorful for summer. I absolutely love the shape, and I will say they are kind of thick too, which I really like. So the quality is definitely there. So one of the things I like to do is going on and taking off a couple so I can just move quick. And again, I use this Kiss glue. This is my favorite. It really helps the nails stick longer. And I notice when I use this glue, my nails last a lot longer than they typically do. So one of the keys that I always tell you guys is when you're applying your glue, make sure you get around the edges. Most of the time when your nails pop off, they pop off from the sides and the back. So make sure you're adding a little bit of extra on the sides of the nail and at the back. And when you apply your nail, make sure you're pushing it under your cuticle just a little bit. Okay, guys, again, we are just applying our glue. Make sure you guys are applying enough glue as well. Don't overdo it, but make sure you're putting a nice substantial amount. And again, do not forget that back and those sides, and push that nail under that cuticle a little bit. And do not rush with trying to push your nail down. Like when you're applying your nail and you got that glue on there, like do not rush. Take your time and hold that nail onto your real nail. That's what really makes sure you have a good bond, and make sure you are not rushing. You cannot rush this process. Not for good nails. You cannot rush. Okay, guys, our first hand is done, and I love these nails. They are so cute. I absolutely love the color. I also noticed that these nails are very durable. As I'm putting them on, they're very, very sturdy. So make sure you guys go shop these on SHEIN, and make sure you use my discount code at the top of that screen. That will give you a discount, and I think they have a sale going on. So make sure you guys use that code and get your nails on sale, okay?
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My high brought my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Yeah. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
Okay, guys, these are our finished nails, and I absolutely love them. They look so good and for under $10 right on SHEIN. So make sure you guys use my code to shop. Make sure you guys check out my Amazon storefront. There are plenty of nails and nail supplies on there. And make sure you guys go back and watch my other nail tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.